Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to compare and choose the right email business plan on your Hostinger. Now make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to find it. Now if you go to this website, basically hpanel.hostinger.com, so let me just go to the home section. So you'll be seeing interface like this one. Now you can just click on emails or in this section inside the website as well. So you will see, like, as you can read, select your email plan, like whatever plan you want to select. Now this is basically a 12 months period and you can read the price, but let's say if you want to go with 1 month, just select it. And after that, basically we have three plans. First one is business starter, second one is business premium, and third one is Google Workspace, which is a little bit different from these two, but we will discuss it one by one. So business starter is basically for almost $2, business premium is for almost $3.5, and this one is Google Workspace, almost $5 to $6. So if you talk about the benefits, now you can scroll and read. Like, this is basically a kind of, you can say, like, this is a kind of smaller, or you can say an individual person, and this is for the business premium. Like if you have company, or like you want to boost your work and you have multiple like things to do at the same time, so you can select this plan. Now so if you scroll down, you can see like 10 GB of storage per mailbox, and if we get the business premium, you get 50 GB storage. Now 10 forwarding rules, these are basically, as you can read as well, forward emails sent to your mailbox to any other email address, even from another domain. So you can send this is basically the feature 10 forwarding rules. While in this section we get 10 email aliases. Like in this section we get 10 email aliases. Inside here you can select 300 emails per day, which is almost like a lot. If you want to go with the basic, that it gives us almost 1000 emails per day, so you can select it depending on what your business is and how much do you want to do through the Hostinger. Free domain in both of them, advanced spam, and basically these are all the same features that are available in both of them, but the majority of the difference is relies on, as you can see, the storage, the forwarding rules, the email aliases that we get. As you can read, use multiple email addresses, and 1000 emails per day mailbox, 3000 email per day mailbox. So almost this is the majority of the difference that they have mentioned. Now it depends on you, like whatever suits your business best, you can choose that plan. But I would say business premium is basically something you can choose. Like, it is not that expensive, so you can try it. If you don't like it, you can just downgrade to the business starter as well. Now Google Workspace is something a little bit different. You can say 30 GB of storage per mailbox, email matching your domain name. You get this, you get Gmail, calendar, doc sheet, everything is similar. Meet video, like security and all these features, 24/7 support and everything. So it depends on you, whatever suits your business, you can choose it. And that is simply how you can choose your plan and which matches your business, and you can buy it. So that is all about how you can choose it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you found this video useful.